Hi everyone, welcome to my video tutorial about Texas Hold'em. My name is Steve from NSS DAO. I'm Chief Operating Officer. I want to show you step by step how you can play the Texas Hold'em. And before I dive into those steps, I wanted to give you some insights, ideology, and the theory behind Texas Hold'em. Texas Hold'em is a game that is built in a internet computer, and this game so interesting because it composes some of the ideas and the ideology that include persistence, perseverance, patience, wisdom, and the victory you got when you play this, that means when you go to become a winner, you this ideology play a lot in this game. So on my screen, as you see, there is interface of this game, Texas Hold'em, and you see there is a 3 steps here. So that is how what is the insights and the insight and the ideology of this game. And the another interesting things about this Texas Hold'em game, most of the case the winner are not those doing they didn't do the mistake. The ones those do mistakes in few compared to the opponent side. So that is another thing. So when you combine the small mistake you did when you play this game and the ideology about persistence, patience, wisdom combined together, it can brought you to become a winner of this game. And another benefit you got when you play this game is you have access to get the NFT and the other tokens with some portion, maybe percentages, and all these things will, all this benefit will be get after the launch of official Texas Hold'em in a few days to come. So let's take a look the how our game is look like. That means our interface. The interface, as you see in my screen here, is you see there is a three buttons. So the first one is low, the second one is middle, and the last one is higher. And it's including the numbers as you see here. These numbers are the tokens, and these tokens are called a game farm tokens. And this is these are the levels of this game. So this is the lowest, the low is the lowest level, and the highest level is called the higher, and it contains a lot of token. As I said before, benefit of this Texas Hold'em, you get access to get tokens. So as you see here, the lowest has lowest tokens, but the highest is got it's called highest point, highest tokens, and the middle one that is a moderate in the middle, and the lowest is about 1,000, and the second one that is the middle is about 100,000, and the last one is about 10 million. All those things are tokens. So you play by using these tokens. When you become a winner, you get another you get added you get another tokens. That means it depends how which level you get access to play that game. So every steps, every level, it's has own amount of token you can when you become a winner you can access to get it in your wallet. So another thing is when you see at the corner in right side above, there is a account here. The account here, this is my account by the way, and it's contain the avatar, and there is some balances. Yes. These balances are included, of course I played before, so I access to get this law by mint, and I get 1,000, so I play and I become a winner. I became a winner, that's why it adds more and more. So I have a 4,000 token, that is game farm tokens. But I want to give you a clarification about this before going to how to play. Is that when you become when you start playing this kind of the game, actually you should go, you should your balance here is become zero. So what you do in order to get access to play this game is you should click here avatar, so that you can mint your tokens. You can mint in order to get the tokens. That means here you see the mint and the plus button. When you click here, it's added the token so that you can start play the game. So that is the thing. So before, without having balance here, you can't access this kind of levels when you want to play the games. So you go and you place here, or click here mint, so that you get some balances. When you started with low level, it's added 1,000, so your balance will become 1,000. And when you become a winner, after when you play and you become a winner, it's added more, so that when every level has amount of token you should have. So if you go to middle as well, you should have a minimum of this 100,000, so that you can start playing the middle level in this Texas game. As well as in highest level, you should have your token balance about 10 million, so that you can access this high level. So that is the thing of what the first procedure before going to dive to play this kind of game. So here it's already minted, so I will go directly to, because it's a 4,000 this tokens, and this is, we call it the token, we call it, as I show you, GFT is see game farm token. So for that case, I'm eligible to participate in the low level, because my balance is about 4,000. I can't go to other levels like middle level or high level, because the minimum, for example, for minimum in the middle level is 100,000, and as well as in highest level is 10 million. So I don't have those amounts, so I will continue to go to low level. So I click the low level here, click. So when I click, it's loading, and it display the red button, get out. This is a table, and there's other people are coming in. This participant is ready, so I click ready so that I can start the game. This is myself with my mount, so I start to play by clicking all in. And this game is very interesting. It should be very sharp. It shows results is true, so that means this is a pre-flop property of this amount. You see the winner. So the winner here is this guy Jasic. So, and me, I become the second one. So this is how we play this Texas Hold'em game. It's so interesting. It should be very, in this level should be very sharp when you wanted to play after the cards are put in there. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe our video YouTube channel and subscribe button, so that we can access other videos and enjoy our Texas Hold'em game. Have a good day. Bye bye.